Drop the ball. Drop it. Okay, Mace. Grab it. Grab it, Mace. And throw it. Good job, Cammy. Okay, Mace. Go get her. That's your dog? Go and pet your dog. Go get your dog. Go get your dog. Give her loves. Oh, where's your doggy? Go get her. Go get her. Go get her. Okay. Can you say, Cammy, in here? Cammy, inside. Can you hug Cammy? Give Cammy hugs. Oh, it's very nice. Give Cammy hugs. Say, Cammy, house. What am I supposed to tell her? Cammy. There she goes, Mox. Or there she goes, Mace. There she goes.
Go house.
House. House, Cammy. House.
Go house.
Open it, Mace. Good job. Say yay.